Okay, so we will now start in Vue routing. First, we will create multiple pages and then we use the Vue router package before proceeding on the RESTful API. Okay, so first I'm just going to create um, 3 routes. Okay, so under here source, I'm going to create a folder here named router, and then index.ts. Okay, so here to use a Vue router, we need to install Vue router package. So npm install Vue dash router. Okay, I think this is the latest version, so let's just wait. And then under index.ts, we will import create router under Vue router, and then create web history. Okay, and then we will now here import the files. So but first here under source, we are going to create a views, let's say views or pages folder. Under pages folder, we have let's say here home.view. What else? Let's say about that view, and then let's say services.view. So it's up to you, and contact.view, etc. So it's up to you. Under home.view, I'm going to add a template. Let's say template, and then h1. This is a view page. Okay, so I'm not going to add design here. Then template about this is about page. I'm gonna add h1. This is about page, and then services h1. This is services page. Okay, so I'm done here. Then under index.ts, I'm going to import home from at pages, and then home.view. Other one here, import about from at pages, and then about view, and then import services from services.view. Then need to initialize routes equals, oh no, here the path. Okay, so let's say your path here is like this, and then name is your home, and then the component, oh, the component is home. Next, path, and then about, and then the name here is about. The component here is about. And then next, another one, path for services, name services, and then the component is services. Okay, next, constant router here equals create router, and then history create web history, and then the routes. Okay, so we have problem here. It should be curly brace. Okay, then export default router. Okay, so take note guys, here as you can see I'm using the .ts format if you are using TypeScript, but if you are using JS, use .js format. Okay, now let's go back to our main.ts. Okay, so we will now import the router here. So import router from router. Okay, and then create up that use router dot mount and then up. Okay, so now we can go back to our app that view, and then we will now will create a template here, and then div, say a navigation, or you may also use the should cn here if you want. You use the router dash link. Okay, copy this. We have 3 router link here, and then 2 equals, here's the for home, and then 2 equals, here is for about. Okay, so you have about here, and then another 2 for your services. Okay, and then here we use the router dash view. Okay, so I think we're done. So let's try to run server, the development server in pm run dev. Let's go back here. Okay, home, about, services. Home, about, services. Home. This is in home page. Okay, so as you can see, if I click home, it will go to this home page, about, this about page, this is a service page. Okay, so let's try to add or to apply this should cn. So navigation menu. Okay, so this is your navigation menu. I'll just install this cdui. Okay, enter. Going to open the app.view. Then let's assume we're done here, and then I'll just copy all of this. Okay, then under template should put it at the top. Okay, here, then item 1, blah blah blah. Okay, so use this navigation menu. Let's try to use this navigation menu. Okay, navigation menu, template, navigation menu. Okay, and then navigation menu list, okay, then menu item, navigation menu item, then put home here, else. Okay, so another navigation menu item, put about here, and then another navigation menu item, put services here, and then going to format document with pretty code formatter. Okay, then oops, not working. Why? I should run it again. Delete. CTUI npm run dev. Let's check. Oh, it's not working. Okay, my navigation menu is not working. I've already installed shadcn here. Okay, let me check the badge. Check badge. Paste. Copy badge. And this badge. Variant is default. This should be working. It's working, but this is not working. Okay, so let's double check the navigation bar, navigation menu, navigation menu, navigation menu item, docs. We use the navigation menu link, menu item, then menu link, navigation menu link, and then as child class, and then let's just copy this, copy, then I'll just paste it here, then put it here. Okay, okay, check. Okay, home, it's working. Navigation menu link as child, navigation menu link as child, then the viewport, viewport pulse, remove div, okay, so home about services, let's say we add div here, class w school, pg das primary, okay. So the problem is here, so we have the navigation menu list. Okay, so add class, flex, Yeah, this will do. Okay, match does 24. Okay. Okay, flex. Okay. Another navigation menu list. Okay. Cut this and put here. Okay. Class flex justify dash between or space around. No, this will do. It's not working. Okay. Flex. Space around. Okay. Let's divide this around. Okay. Home about services. Home about services. Okay, so here under home, let's say we'll add div, then class h the screen, then we'll add pg dash emerald dash 400, then p, this is a home page, then class text dash 7xl. Okay. Okay. bg dash t home about services, home about services, about services. text dash 26 Excel. Class text dash 2 Excel 6 Excel. Hey, simple as that. Home, about, page. Okay. Okay. Let's put it the center. So class flex justify dash center items dash center h dash 80vh. Okay, I'm going to copy this here. Nope. Copy, put it here and here. Excel. Okay, home, about, services.